Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. It's try to pull the plastic day. Pull the bottom, yeah, all the slack.
Can you grab a couple boards?
Oh, cool. Yeah.
I'm so happy that I was able to come in, be part of this. Jill.
Wait.
Oh, you want me to?
Flutter.
I'm so glad I'm on something so that somebody could see me.
Okay, guys, so it did take all day because not do you just put the wiggle wire up top, you also have to put it here before Greg can go cut out where the doors and the vent goes. So we have an overhead door here, and then we have a walk-in door here. And this is the back side. So the wind picked up, we got done just in time, but we are using a different, this is a woven end wall cloth. It's a little bit more heavy duty than what's on that other one. We opted for that because of the winds that we get out here. And so the back end wall probably won't be started until Thursday or Friday because we're expecting some weather tomorrow. But you can see it is coming together, guys. So there's our update today for this very large high tunnel. Hopefully we'll be able to plant soon in here before some weather sets in. We're supposed to get some tomorrow, and then we will try to finish this up, and then we're going to have some more soil delivered, till it in, and then I will be planting. Weather looks to be favorable for us next week, but that could change at any time. But anyway, stay tuned. Lots more stuff going on. Take care. God bless. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Love you all.